Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic for today is the spectrometer. So for the first session, we will be discussing on the UV Vis. So at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, we have two UV Vis. So here we have the older version of the UV Vis with multiple samples. You have here there. You have also the new version, maybe a newer model of, but it's different brand. So this is Imadzu. So we normally use silica gel here to put here so that no moisture will come in. Okay, for this discussion, we will be discussing on the different parts of this U510. This is a Hitachi model, but before we operate this, you should be able to check on the safety summary or safety of using this equipment. So first you need to check on the ventilation. So if you are using chemicals that are hazardous, you need to wear your PPE, and you need to have a proper ventilation of the room. Okay, the power supply for this machine is 220 volts. And normally this have 50 to 60 hertz of frequency, and the power capacity is about 100 volts or more. And the grounding resistance is 100 ohms. The operating temperature for this machine is 15 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. For measurement to be stable, you need to be in that temperature. And then if you do not have that kind of temperature, you are asked to install a air conditioner. And then the operating humidity of this machine is 25 to 80%. So no condensation is allowed. So at about 30 degrees Celsius or higher, you need to keep the humidity 70% or less. So you should also check your materials whether they are acidic or alkalines, because they might corrode your machine. And also gaseous solvents, which might dissolve the paint of this machine. So this machine should not be exposed to direct sunlight. There should not be sensible vibration. So your table should be a stable table. There should be no heat source or gas burner beside it. And the instrument should not be located near a device producing strong electric field. Okay, like if you have NMR, so you cannot put this machine beside an NMR. Or even with a welding devices, you cannot use this beside it, or even near a furnace. So this should not be placed near those machines.